TinkerManRC, and today I'd like to share with you the SeaGull model Harmon Rocket 3. This particular kit is based off the RV4, and it's a Harmon mod that they make that the real RV4s have. I saw the model and it looked great. Alright, so this is a normal gas kit, but I've converted to an electric, and the electronics that I'm running into it takes 5 servos. I'm running the Trinergy 60 amp ESC Plush. I'm running the Spectrum AR500 full range. I'm running the Trinergy 4260 500 kV motor on a 1212 prop, and the servos, they're the Park Zone 1090 digital servos, and you know, they'll handle it well. They're real strong servos. I like them. So again, I just wanted to go over electronics. She's a gas model. I've converted to electric. I didn't want to cut the cowling up and do all that stuff. It was a really nice kit, and you really got to really cut the heck out of this thing to get an OS motor, what they recommend. So I just decided to go with electric. Stay tuned though. I do have a surprise coming, and yes, TinkerManRC will be going gas. Okay, everyone, thanks for viewing. I appreciate it, and stay tuned for the flight.
To begin using incredible stuff. Skip has his own music soundtrack, so we'll let you